In this short video, I'll explain how to use the print menu of the Vittro 100. On the printer menu, you see 4 steps you can select. You always start with step 1, selecting the build job you had prepared in the printing software. You have 2 options to import your files. One is with the USB memory stick or through the built-in PC, where you had sent your files over a cabled or wireless network. Whichever way you decide to go, you will find on the right-hand side of the LCD display your saved zip file. Double-click on the zip file. After the file is unzipped, select the PNG image with number 1. If by any chance you don't see the PNG image, you can scroll up or down the window until you find PNG image with the number 1. After selecting the image, press the next button to move to step 2 on the menu. In step 2, select the technique with the right recipe you are doing for the corresponding setting of the resin. If you're using the recommended twin print resins, the recipes are all preset. Even your slicing information will be transferred to the printer, so you don't have to do any necessary adjustments. Step 3. The nice thing on your printer is that if you would like to modify the recipes, just press the edit function and make changes you want. At this time, you also have the possibilities to save this recipe for further use or for just one-time use. The foundation button allows you to add a foundation under your printing job if necessary. This is usually done on difficult situations like models standing or printing chrome partials. The default is set at 6 layers, but you can adjust it to make layers as many as you like. Step 4. Press the print button to start your print job. Here you will be again asked if your resin is in the tank and your build stage is in position. Confirm and start the print job. In this window you will also see the progress of your work, like how many layers are to print, how many layers have been printed, total printing time and remaining printing time. You also have a pause button and a button to stop the printing process. Now your Vittro 100 should be printing. Watch the next movie, how to remove the print job and how to clean it.